Hello,
wow, I love it.
Kitty sweatsuit.
Oh,
That'll go with all your pink stuff.
Yeah. Yeah.
Your pink hat, North Face.
Oh, yeah.
There's more in there.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
I love that shirt. Do you like it?
Yes. Booyah. Booyah.
That's really cute.
Sweatpants. Alright, just put the box over here.
Now I want to open this one.
Okay.
It says April.
Isabel, mommy and daddy.
This is going to be fun.
Mommy tastes it up too much.
This is a fun Christmas.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Woo! North Face.
Isabel. No ma'am.